In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save messages in Slack for later viewing. This is a simple but really useful feature that helps you stay organized, especially when you're busy and can't respond to everything right away. Let's start with the basic idea. In Slack, you can save messages so you could easily find them later. Think of it like bookmarking important notes, reminders, or tasks that you don't want to lose in a busy channel or conversation. This works for direct messages, group messages, and channel conversations. So first, open Slack and go to the message that you want to save. This could be something like an important announcement from your team, a link you want to read later, or a task someone has assigned to you. Make sure the specific message you want is clearly visible on your screen. Now, move your mouse over that message. When you hover over it, you'll see a small toolbar appear around the message. On the right side of that area, you'll find the Save for Later icon. Depending on the version of Slack you're using, this may look like a small bookmark or a similar save symbol. Go ahead and click that icon. Once you click it, Slack will mark that message as saved. Usually, you'll see a quick visual confirmation like the icon changing color or short message, letting you know it's been added to your saved items. That's all you need to do to save it. Later, when you're ready to come back to that message, you can go to your saved items section in Slack, and there you'll find all the messages that you've saved organized in one place, so you don't have to scroll through long conversations trying to remember where something was posted. A few tips to make this feature more helpful is use it in the busier Slack conversations so you can utilize it to find the messages quicker. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to drop a like and check out our other tutorials.